Good day! Today, we will discuss about Liferaft and its functions,
uses,
and procedures.
So life rafts are provided as a life-saving appliance on every sea-going merchant or passenger ship. So it is in addition to the lifeboats. Life rafts are much easier to launch as compared to lifeboats, and in case of emergency situations.
In this moment, you will going to know where to locate the life raft on the vessel. It is normally located in the master station, on the port and starboard side near the lifeboat, and the forward and aft of the ship. The location generally depend on the size of the ship. Life raft are stored in a fiberglass container incorporated with a high-pressure gas used for inflating life raft.
Life raft is used for survival purposes. It is mainly used for emergency situations such as abandoning the ship. It is important for a vessel to have a life raft to sustain life after abandoning the ship by crews and passengers.
There are three ways in launching a self-inflating life raft. First is the hydrostatic release unit, manual launching, and the divert release launching. The easiest way in launching a life raft is by hydrostatic release unit because it happens automatically under the pressure of water exerted in the HRU when the ship sinks 4 meters below water level.
Please click here,
Like and
Subscribe!